Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see about how to install the Opera browser on your Windows chain on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to install the Opera browser on your computer or Windows? So I just going to type as Opera browser on the Google first. You can see the first search here, Opera browser. You can just click this inside here. So you can just click on the download now option. So it automatically download the file here. So now just right click on your mouse and click on run as administration and click yes and just install the Opera browser. Click accept and install option. Then you can just configure the setting if you just need it and click on accept. Now it's actually installing on your Windows chain. So now you just click on the get started option. So now you just need to choose the theme like light or dark or system theme. You just need it. Then click on the next option. Now here you can just select the wallpaper type. Here there is a lot of different type of wallpapers. Here you can just choose which wallpaper you just needed. Then click next. Now you can just choose if you just need to turn on the ad blocker and next, and you can find the options of your favorite social media apps and click on the next option, and here select the browser. Below you can just choose which browser for default. If you just need it, just click on the next option. Now your browser is set. You click on the start browsing option. So now your Opera browser has been opened. Now you can just use the Opera browser by clicking on the search option here, like YouTube, whatever you just needed. And also there is a slide bar on the side here. You can just access your WhatsApp player, messages like that. And also there is a lot of the options on the top. You can find the easy setup option here. So then you can have a lot of the most extension options are here, and also you have a speed dial, and there is a lot of the more option on the bottom section here. You can find the sidebar setup. You can just enable whatever you just needed, and also every setting options are here, and there's much more setting options are here. It's super browser. You can just use it, try it on your own. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.